This state ceremony is therefore properly and lawfully convened. Your Excellency, with your kind indulgence, permit me, sir, to request Your Excellency to take your position on the ceremonial desk. Your Excellency. Your Excellency, I now invite the Chief Registrar of the Judiciary to take our position in the arena and administer the oath or affirmation of office to the newly appointed Judge of the Supreme Court.
Your Excellency, sir, the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defense Forces, my Lady, the Honorable Chief Justice and President of the Supreme Court of Kenya, all distinguished guests, I adopt the protocols that have already been set. Your Excellency, Article 74 of the Constitution provides that before assuming a state office, acting in a state office, or performing any functions of a state office, a person shall take and subscribe to the oath or affirmation of office in the manner and form prescribed by the third schedule or under an act of Parliament. If it pleases Your Excellency, it is now my humble duty to call upon the designate Judge of the Supreme Court, Honorable Justice Mohamed Warsame, to take his oath of office.
Honorable Mr. Justice Warsame Abdullahi Mohamed is a distinguished jurist whose career spans over 3 decades of exemplary service in Kenya's legal profession and judiciary. Admitted to the role of advocate in 1994, Justice Warsame began his legal journey in private practice, quickly earned a reputation as a formidable and principled litigator. In 1996, he founded Warsame and Company Advocates, where he served as sole partner and built a respectable practice grounded on diligence, integrity, and professional excellence. Justice Warsame joined the judiciary in 2003 as Judge of the High Court, where he served for 9 years with distinction. During this time, he presided over complex and high-profile matters, demonstrating a firm command on both procedural and substantive law. Notably, he became the first presiding judge of the Judicial Review Division following the promulgation of the Constitution Kenya 2010, helping to shape this critical area of jurisprudence at the transformative moment of the country's legal history. Justice Warsame's commitment to justice extends beyond the courtroom. As chairperson of the Community Service and Probation Committee, he oversaw the release of over 7,000 petty offenders through non-custodial measures, an initiative that significantly contributed to prison decongestion while advancing a more rehabilitative and humane approach to justice. In 2012, Justice Warsame was elevated to the Court of Appeal, where he served with distinction for the last 13 years. His tenure has been marked with profound contribution to the development of appellate jurisprudence, the strengthening of legal precedent, and the reinforcement of law and rule. Most recently, as presiding judge in Nakuru and Eldoret, he spearheaded efforts to reduce case backlog and enhance access to justice. Justice Warsame holds a Bachelor of Laws degree from the University of Nairobi, a postgraduate diploma in law from the Kenya School of Law. He is an active member of both the Kenya Magistrate and Judges Association and Commonwealth Magistrates and Judges Association, reflecting his enduring engagement with broader legal community at home and across the Commonwealth. With over 22 years of judicial service and a legacy of integrity, reform, and jurisprudential impact, Honorable Mr. Justice Warsame Abdullahi Mohamed now ascends to the Supreme Court of Kenya, bringing with him a wealth of experience, wisdom, and enduring commitment to justice. A round of applause for him, please.
I, Mohamed Warsame, a judge of the Supreme Court, do swear in the name of the Almighty God to diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya and to impartially do justice in accordance with this Constitution as by law established and the laws and the customs of the Republic, without any fear, favor, bias, affection, ill will, prejudice, or any political, religious, or other influence in the exercise of the judicial functions entrusted to me. I will at all times and to the best of my knowledge and ability protect, administer, and defend this Constitution with a view to upholding the dignity and the respect for the judiciary and the judicial system of Kenya and promoting fairness, independence, competence, and integrity within it. So help me God.
Your Excellency, this brings us to the end of this swearing-in ceremony, and on behalf of the Honorable Chief Justice, the Judicial Service Commission, and the entire judiciary family, I sincerely thank you for presiding over this ceremony. I now hand over the program back to the Head of Public Service. May God bless Kenya.
Thank you, Madam CRJ. Your Excellency, sir, through your presidential action, the nation's